The easiest thing in the world for a girl to do is to get picked up. That's why if you're on the move, the highway's the only way to go. As sure as there are men in the world, I know my ticket to anywhere is going to be along soon. It's easy. All you need is a decent pair of legs, a quick thumb, and a whole lot of right answers.
Okay, baby, hop in.
I wonder where he's going. Well, maybe I'll only go part way. And maybe I'll have to go all the way.